So here class, no, we will apply materials, no, RMAT, no. You just type RMAT, enter, no. So this will appear, no. This one class, no. Usually this will be that one, no, setup. So you just click that one and then it will collapse, no, into different categories, no. And then anything that you will pick will appear here, no. Na kay pilion nga materials diri class, no. Mo appear na siya diri. So for example, for the base, narita sa let's say flooring, no. Okay, so let's say stone. For example ang class, no. This one, no. So ito na siyang i-drag, no. Click that one class and then drag lang. Okay, so we'll try clicking this visual style to realistic, no. Okay, so your choice ng class, no? You can also drag that one, okay, or this one. So you select lang kanang nice nga kuan or that one. Okay, so another is for stone, no. Let's say stone masonry, no. Here we'll try to use, no, this one for example, no. Just drag, no. Okay, we have that stone that's white, so okay na siya, no. For the post, we're going to use let's say metal, no, metallic paint. Let's say this one, no. Click, drag, no, drag. Okay. So for other kuan, we'll kuan na lang, we'll try to use let's say plastic, no, for this one. Experiment lang class, no. Just drag, no. Okay. So that is one class, no, material, no. Then for example, let's find the material, no, like this one, no. This is the material that we use, no. Anything you click here class, you apply on the objects will appear here, no. So for example, this one, no. This one, flooring, flooring. Double click. Again, no, double click class, no, so that this will appear, no. You can manipulate, let's say, no, we'll try clicking this one, no. Click the image, rotation, you can just try to kuan lang kana siyang explore lang, no. Hindi siya ma-change, no. But anyways, like here, the width, no, you can reduce, no, and the height, no, so you can reduce the sizing, no. So we'll just close this one class, no? Close this one, close. Okay, that is a basic material, no. Kaning CAD kini siya nice for material, no, application, no. Basically CAD is nindot ni siya for 2D, no, 2D drawings, no. And then 3D okay po siya, but di jud kay siya nice, no. If you want the 3D class, you have to pair for 2D AutoCAD and then SketchUp for 3D, no, which is more kuan siya kanang mas okay siya, no, more intuitive. Okay.